Hi everyone, today we are giving an honest review on the Lian Li Galahad II. This is a brand new liquid cooler that is from Lian Li, a great titan in the PC industry. Now this build here already has the liquid cooler installed. This box is empty. I built this PC with this cooler the other day live on stream, and this cooler launches in just a few days on the 13th of July. So we got early access to this cooler direct from Lian Li thanks to our great relationship with them. I will now give my honest opinion on this cooler after having now built it and also successfully getting Lian Li Connect to work with the cooler. Now they had to send me an unreleased version of Lian Li Connect, which is the software to control the RPMs of the cooler as well as the RGB. Here are my thoughts. I think this cooler is fantastic. Now, I'm not exactly sure the price point of this cooler, but if I had to guess, it's around $220 to $240. This cooler competes with the NZXT Kraken RGB cooler, not the NZXT Kraken Elite. So we will continue using the NZXT Kraken Elite RGB cooler for our top of the line liquid coolers. There is no better liquid cooler than that one out now. But we need to offer something cheaper than $300, around that $220 price point. That's why we are very much considering using this cooler instead of the NZXT Kraken non-elite liquid cooler. So this cooler was a breeze to install. It did take me a while to do it, but it was my first time. And it was also unreleased, so I was a little worried that maybe there was something missing or, something that was not compatible with the motherboard. And I was also very concerned when I couldn't figure out why Connect was not picking up the cooler. But obviously I found out that I needed a direct link from Lian Li themselves to get it to work. I love this cooler. It comes with 3 Lian Li SL120 Unifans, Infinities. That is a great deal for the price, considering 3 of these cost $90. We use a lot of Lian Li SL120 Infinities. To be able to have a cooler that already comes with them makes everything a lot easier. On this build, this is the Height Y40 with the Ryzen 7 7700X, the Asus B650E-F with 32 gigs of G-Skill memory, 6,000 megahertz. We have 2 SL140 Infinity fans on the spine. We have no fan in the rear because we were not able to fit a fan in the rear. This cooler cannot go any further ahead, so I cannot fit a fan in the rear, unfortunately. What do you guys think? I think this cooler is great. We're gonna cut to some shots of me building it live, and then we're gonna check in on my final thoughts. Hope you guys enjoy. I highly suggest this cooler, and we'll see you guys in a bit.
You have
Target
reinforcements
area
inbound.
marked. You're cleared hot. Hostile airstrike near your location.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Enemy movement.
Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Enemy UAV active. Friendly UAV on station.
Alright, so there we are. We just finished all we needed to do to know everything there is about the Lian Li Galahad II. This is an incredible successor to the Galahad 1. I hated the Galahad 1, to be completely honest, even though I only used it like 0 times. And this cooler, though, is amazing. And I love the included uni fans, since we use a lot of Infinity uni fans. The performance was great. We had a 7900X overclocked to 5.5 gigahertz, and it was cooling it very well. Did not go over 80 degrees, and this case doesn't have the most airflow anyways. The aesthetics are amazing. The price is amazing at $190. We're gonna have to double check that because that almost seems like a typo. The availability should be very good, knowing Lian Li. So this will most likely replace our NZXT Kraken non-elite cooler. That's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and we'll see you guys later.